उसने क्वेश्चन से पहले
A job called Pixel Pusher refers to a person who adjusts and optimizes visual elements of the website. True. This is false. Pixel Pusher क्या होता है?
So do you think like educational qualifications still matter as they used to? कि लोगों को इतना भागने की जरूरत है कि IIT, IIM because even they're not getting jobs.
I was reading one article which says that in future, maybe in down the line 2 years, we're gonna have a PM who would be an influencer.
और वो सही चला लेगा और वो बेटर चला लेगा कंट्री.
Why?
वैसे अभी मोदी जी भी इन्फ्लुएंसर बन रहे हैं.
Yeah, that is one thing.
Like no name taking.
हाँ, नहीं. Now we'll get left or right hate.
नहीं यार
अभी नेपाली बोल रही है कैसे?
Interviewer have this thing. They put question in such a way they want to understand your psychological state at that time. Okay, let me put a question in front of you, Sadeep. You wake up tomorrow and you find yourself pregnant. What will be your response? Hi guys, welcome to the very first episode of Bunking 926 Career Drive with Sadar Ji. And today we have two of the Gen Z youth influencer with us. One is Sadeep and one is Diyashri. And these guys are from, I think, Guru Gobind Singh
College of Commerce.
College of Commerce from DU. So the concept of this drive is where I am, bunking these guys their one-day college, and they are coming along with me on the drive. And we're gonna talk about what goes in the psychological, mind of younger generation. क्या सोचती है Gen Z generation education के बारे में, and how they see their career forward. So before we'll get into the conversations, I just want to understand when I took a call with you, Sadeep. I called you at night. कि यार this is I'm planning. Bunking 9 to 6. So what is the very first thing which stuck in your head कि यार ये क्या है? मतलब this is so weird, bunking 9 to 6. A career coach is saying कि अपना कॉलेज बंक कर लेते हैं. तो क्या माइंड में आया था ऐसा? What's the very first thought?
यार देखो मैं ऑनेस्टली बोलूंगा मैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर हूँ एंड मेरे को अगर कोई फेलो कंटेंट क्रिएटर कॉल करके बोल रहा है तो भाई मैं कॉलेज तो मेरे में पर्सपेक्टिव भी नहीं आता. मैं छोड़ दूंगा भाई कॉलेज कंटेंट शूट करे. चलो
Okay. And Diyashri, what about you? When you got this idea कि bunking 9 to 6 where we are going on a career drive and we want to talk about our career aspiration, but हमसे bunking 9 to 6 कह रहे हैं. So what is the very first thought?
I mean that's interesting क्योंकि आजकल like हम तो I think we don't attend classes a lot. We are like involved in theater, अपना reel सब कुछ. So I was like yeah, it's a great opportunity since I don't think just staying constrained in a college classroom will lead you anywhere इस ज़माने में तो.
Let's talk about the career perspective now.
Okay,
We got the introduction and we kind of open up. So there's one question which I am throwing to both of you and you can answer one by one. What is one thing which you are looking up from a job? Like there are many components which come with the job. So what is your top priorities? Just tell me priority wise कि this is the first thing we are looking in a job priority wise.
अगर जॉब ही ना लुक कर रहे तो
Okay, if you are not looking up to a job, if you are looking up to your own thing.
Okay.
So what are each things? If you are building a startup, there's a component related to that startup. It gives you that kick, or maybe you get happiness because of that, or maybe you are also seeking for that social acceptance from people. There are many components related to that. Life में हर कोई इंसान किसी चीज के पीछे भाग रहा है और उसको कहीं से शांति मिलती है. So is there what's that reason you Sadeep you are looking in your life कि I am looking this in my life because of this I am doing this. Like you are doing content creation.
Right.
There is something by the end of the day when you come to your bed
Right.
and you feel like yeah I have done something good.
Right.
So what is that one thing which gives you that peace? Or maybe if you're looking a future ahead doing a job or an entrepreneurship.
तो मैं एक कॉमन आंसर देता हूँ स्टार्टअप जॉब और जो मेरे को आगे करना है कि मुझे मैं क्या लुक फॉरवर्ड करता हूँ. तो बेसिकली देयर आर फ्यू गोल्स जो सबके होते हैं जिनको परस्यू करना होता है पर कुछ चीजों की वजह से रिस्ट्रिक्शंस की वजह से वो कर नहीं पाते. तो अगर मैं जॉब लुक फॉरवर्ड करूंगा ना तो मेरे गोल्स अगर जॉब के साथ अलाइन हो जाते हैं तो उससे बड़ी कोई बात ही नहीं है. मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल अभी आई एम वर्किंग विद क्लब बॉक्स
Okay.
एंड आई एम अ म्यूजिशियन माई सेल्फ प्रोफेशनली आई एम एन इंस्ट्रूमेंटलिस्ट। तो मेरा काम वहां पर है कि इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बजाना, तो मेरे को मेरे नीश का इतना अच्छा जॉब मिला हुआ है, तो मेरे लिए तो वो बहुत अच्छा है कि मेरे गोल के साथ भी अलाइन करता है, एंड आई एम हैप्पी देयर, एंड आई एम नॉट वर्किंग देयर फॉर द मनी। मनी इज नॉट माई प्रायोरिटी, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इफ आई एम नॉट हैप्पी, मनी डज नॉट मैटर, मनी डज नॉट डू शिट फॉर दैट। तो मेरे को तो यही सबसे पहले प्रायोरिटी होनी चाहिए कि मेरा पैशन जो है वो सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं कमा लूंगा यार पैसे आगे जाके, पर अभी मैंने अगर राइट डिसीजंस नहीं लिए ना, तो वो मेरे फ्यूचर में मेरे को फ्रूट्स लाके नहीं देंगे जो मेरे को खुश रखेंगे।
Okay. You have given me the answer of the next report which I got from Google.
ओके
When I searched on Google, what is the one thing Gen Zs are looking for in a job or maybe in their life? So they said the first priority is they are not behind money, they are behind the right work culture.
राइट
They are also behind to work in a place there where they are also getting continuous learning.
हाँ
Okay, and they want to be around people who are also passionate.
राइट
They don't want to be with those lazy people with sitting on the couch and with a big
Exactly.
belly,
Right.
and they're like bro galle mein baithe aur paisa kama rahe. No, they don't want to do that. So that study you proved it right. That's why I'm not put the question. I first directly ask you, and indirectly I think those studies are really doing matlab justice
Right.
to whatever you guys are thinking. Like coming back to you, Jayashri. So on the same note,
Yeah.
as I ask you ki yaar, what is important for you, so
Yeah.
he's telling ki I don't want to do a job, but maybe in your case it can be a different scenario.
Right.
Okay, because obviously for a male person risk taking ability is more. हम इतने भी इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो इंडिया में कि जेंडर इक्वालिटी इतनी आ गई हो अभी. I know that. ठीक है, तो if I take a female perspective where what's important for you, like in your future in a career, what you are looking for, if you are looking yourself 6 years down the line, कि यार this is very important for me if I'm looking my career or my career stability.
For me, like, right, I'm not very restricted to joining like a corporate organization. I'm very open to it if it fulfills my drive for passion. Like, मैं बहुत agree करती हूँ. For me, people I work with matter a lot. So I've worked in organizations before, and I've like solely stayed there because of the people I was surrounded with. Because I knew that it's not just about the work I'm doing there, but they're helping me grow personal life में इतना ज़्यादा कि मतलब मुझे ऐसा होता था कि self fulfilled feel होता था. I'm learning from people every day. मैं इसके साथ भी हूँ. Like if I'm working with him, मैं इससे भी सीख रही हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा. So that matters a lot to me कि मैं अगर ये corporate छोड़ने की सोच रही हूँ तो मैं क्या लेके जा रही हूँ. Not कि और obviously like I'm not very restricted to the idea of giving somebody, right, like my hard work, right? If I'm getting compensated enough, if I'm getting that leverage, like human being के जो incentives भी होते हैं, rather than just salary, like about like bonuses, like अपने achievement के लिए you are being awarded correctly. If that organization knows how to respect employees,
Okay.
I mean that's good.
Cool.
I wanted to add
Yeah,
something
sure.
कि मतलब आई सेड कि पहली प्रायोरिटी पैशन है और मनी मैटर नहीं करता, बट मनी मैटर करता है, पर पहली प्रायोरिटी पैशन है. मतलब आई वोंट गेट एक्सप्लॉइटेड, मैं अपने आप को एक्सप्लॉइट कभी नहीं होने दूंगा. आई नो माई वैल्यू, और जिस मैं वैल्यू पे हूँ मैं उसी का पे आउट लूंगा. और ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं अंडर सैलरी में भी काम कर रहा हूँ कि मेरा पैशन फुलफिल हो रहा है, कभी नहीं करूंगा मैं ऐसा. मेरे को पूछना था कि जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर, तो कंटेंट क्रिएशन में ना थ्रू इंस्टाग्राम इज योर न्यू सीवी, इंस्टाग्राम इज योर न्यू लिंक्डइन. तो मतलब क्या लिंक्डइन अलग से बनाने की बहुत नीड है इफ आई एम इनटू सोशल मीडिया एंड अ कंटेंट क्रिएशन फील्ड?
Okay, so first of all, you are a content creator, but content creator means you are looking your career ahead as an individual content creator.
राइट.
But suppose now, like this is one podcast which I was watching of Tanmay Bhatt and Nask unka founder, Prajakta Kohli, Veer Alabadia. They were discussing about content creation, and Tanmay he quoted this down: "We are moving towards and culture. We are moving towards and careers." Now, what is and career? Basically, you can be a marketer. You can be a content creator.
Right.
You can be a finance person. You can be a professional dancer. पहले क्या होता था, मेरा लड़का सिर्फ बनेगा डॉक्टर या मेरा लड़का बनेगा इंजीनियर. अब बच्चों के माइंडसेट में क्या हो गया, भाई मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ और मैं नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल में जाके मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ. तो आई वुड गिव यू सजेशन इन सच अ वे, सपोज इफ यू वांट टू अलाइन योर स्किल सेट टू अ पर्टिकुलर इंडस्ट्री, तो ट्राई टू फिगर आउट योर स्किल सेट फर्स्ट. सपोज यू आर इनटू कंटेंट क्रिएशन. अब कंटेंट क्रिएशन में क्या होता है, यू आर अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन,
राइट.
you have a good idea generation thinking,
Direction sense.
creative thinking, direction sense, and you are loud, you have good communication skills.
Right.
That's why you are on camera.
Right.
So which careers align with the same field?
Media,
marketing,
journalism.
media, journalism. Okay, so try to align your I would say career trajectory on the same skill set you are perceiving in your personal interest also.
Okay.
अगर पूछूं कि सपोज ठीक है आप कॉर्पोरेट में भी हो, ओके, व्हाट डू यू थिंक लाइक people look for, like अब employers बोलूं मैं, because I think older generation तो चलो they look for hardworking people who will completely work for them. I think अभी तो culture change हो रहा है कि people are looking for people who are skilled, जो कम टाइम में ज्यादा like दे के दे काम, मतलब कम टाइम में ज्यादा काम करके दे.
Okay.
So do you think like educational qualifications still matter as they used to, कि लोगों को इतना भागने की जरूरत है कि IIT, IIM, because even they're not getting jobs.
So again, I guess in your question, the answer is again hidden. So the thing is now, companies are not, going behind the big brand names like you mentioned, IIT, IIMs. Okay, obviously with the tag of IIT and with the tag of IIMs, the one thing which comes along with it ना कि जैसे कि आप IIT में अगर पढ़ रहे हो तो you be around those IITians. So वो mindset वैसे बच्चों का आ गया. Like suppose I told you surrounding matters. So if you are in a college of IIT, तो आपके साथ वो 500 बच्चे हैं जो IIT लेवल के हैं. तो आपकी 4 साल में ग्रोथ कितनी अच्छी हुई ना. तो वो 4 साल की जो ग्रोथ है ना वो आपके अंदर कहीं ना कहीं एम्बेड हो जाएगी. That's why they are looking for IITians. Okay, but at the same time we are moving to a culture where if you have proven facts on paper, if you have numbers, if you have everything written, that this is I have done at the age of 20, I have 100k followers, I can be a social media manager, I have grown account from 0 to 100k in 6 months. Tell me, is there any chief marketing officer can do this? Prove me wrong and I'll not take this job. If you have everything on paper, who will stop you taking a job? No one.
सोशल मीडिया जो है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर,
ठीक है.
and my Instagram has become the new CV. It has become the new portfolio.
Okay.
So being a content creator, do I still need a LinkedIn profile?
Okay, cool. Nice question. So I want to mention one thing over here. This, do you know this girl, Hustle Rani?
Hustle Rani?
Yeah, she is very famous content creator from Mumbai.
Okay.
So she want to get, she want to target one company and she want to work for those company. ठीक है, तो उनको उसको reach out करना. तो what she did, she made her resume on the Instagram post. She posted 6 posts, make a grade where the resume will look like an Instagram post.
Okay.
Okay, and she made a CV in a suppose I want to get place in Netflix.
Okay.
So she made a CV in a form of a Netflix का series. जैसे Netflix का pages आते हैं ना, तो वैसे Netflix की series के form में उन्होंने CV बनाया अपना.
Okay.
Okay. I'll take my example. I want to मतलब I reach out to a founder. He's a very big founder. अब मुझे नहीं पता था मुझे reply भी करेगा. But my brand is, people know me, सरदार जी जो कार में वीडियो बनाते हैं, career coach है.
हाँ.
So I put a title on my email when I cold emailed them. Sardar ji wants to work with you.
Okay.
So that's the email I got the reply from the founder.
Okay.
Why? Because I first pick a word, a keyword which is very, thought provoking to those people.
Right.
ठीक
Right.
है?
Right.
So you ask me, is LinkedIn is important for me or is it Instagram for me? So my answer would be, it's depend which industry you want to get in.
Okay.
If you want to get into corporate, obviously LinkedIn is important. I was saying LinkedIn is the new Tinder for reaching out a right recruiter. Okay, like I was saying someone like how much effort you put how much effort you put your time making your bio on Tinder and how much effort you put your time making your bio on LinkedIn. Okay, you put your Instagram DP, you put your LinkedIn DP or you put your Tinder DP. How much time you invested putting a LinkedIn DP?
Right.
Okay, obviously मेरी selfie जो Instagram पे है वो मेरी LinkedIn पे नहीं जाएगी. Obviously, every platform have a different way to perceive things. So I would say LinkedIn is important, but it depends which industry you want to get in. If you want to get into corporate, okay, अब वही वाली बात है ना, अगर मैं Tinder पे शादी के लिए कोई रिश्ता ढूंढूंगा तो नहीं मिलेगा मुझे. Right platform, targeting to right niche or right, I would say the outcome I am expecting from it. तो अगर शादी.com पे और टिंडर पे मैं शादी ढूंढूंगा तो नहीं मिलेगी. सिमिलरली अगर मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे किसी को रीच आउट कर रहा हूँ फॉर अ कोलैबोरेशन, इफ आई एम रीचिंग आउट अ कंपनी टू बी अ सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर, दैट्स अ प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर मी, दैट्स अ पोर्टफोलियो फॉर मी, बट एट द सेम टाइम nothing can replace a CV.
Right.
Nothing can replace a CV or a resume because that's a professional way. People also want to understand how you are on paper. Okay, what your achievements, presentable, presentation also matters at the same time.
Right.
ठीक है ना? अगर आप ये बोल दो कि भाई मैंने इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट बना रखा है, मैं सीवी भी नहीं भेज रहा, मैं एचआर को सिर्फ लिंक भेज दूंगा इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट का, तो ही वाज लाइक कि नहीं भाई एक प्रोसीजर होता है हर चीज का,
हाँ।
ठीक है? आई गेट योर पॉइंट, बट आई एम जस्ट वांट टू not nullifying this, but I am again saying this कि don't be so much like, this is again one thing I am saying out loud
हाँ.
कि you should be confident about your stuff, but at the same time always have in your head कि मेरे को जॉब चाहिए,
ओके
मेरे को जॉब चाहिए। उसके पास रोज के 100 सीवीज आते हैं,
हाँ.
नो मैटर मेरे पास 100K हैं,
हाँ.
बट दैट डजंट मीन कि मैं उस सोड में जाऊंगा कि भाई मेरे पे
Select
100K
हो
है।
जाऊंगा.
नो,
हाँ.
you if you are a need, you have to be greedy for your thing, and when you get out there, जब तुम वहाँ पहुंच जाओगे ना तब दिखाओ तुम कितने हो, पर पहले वहाँ पहुंच तो जाओ।
You have to be smart.
You have to be smart, you have to prove your person. It's similar like you are reaching out to a girl यार, no matter वो girl is तुम्हारी नीच से बाहर है, तुम्हारी लीग से बाहर है,
Yeah.
but the same time when you try to hit to that girl on the DM, you are not like bro, you know मेरे 100K है and you should meet me, let's go on a date. No, you always approach in a way कि वो approachable लगे, you know. So same goes with recruiters यार. Recruiters are very, I don't know, egoistic people. Okay, ठीक है? They don't want to bring people who are not with good attitude. In corporate, no matter you have 100K, you have 200K, or you have 500K, if you don't have that right attitude, how to deal with people, how to talk with your peers, how to have good emotional empathy for other people, you're not gonna sustain. No one gives a fuck about your 100K or worse. That's a bitter truth. Okay.
अगर मैं लॉन्ग टर्म देखूं
हम्म,
तो कंटेंट क्रिएशन लॉन्ग टर्म में मुझे कितना कहाँ तक मुझे सस्टेन कर पाएगा, किस एज तक?
किस एज तक?
हम्म.
Okay. So this one thing, I went to this influencer event where Ranvijay came, and I am a big fan of Ranvijay. Have you know one thing about Ranvijay? Younger people, millennial और बड़े तीनों उसकी टीजी हैं।
ओके.
Why? Because now he's a grown up father. तो उसको लोग वैसे भी फॉलो करते हैं। तो
हाँ.
योडीज कब से आ रहा है? योडीज फ्रॉम सो लॉन्ग, 15-20 साल हो गया, बट रणवीर की फैन फॉलोइंग गई या नहीं अभी
नहीं
तक?
गई.
नहीं गई। क्यों? उसका रीजन क्या है? रेलेवेंसी। ही इज रेलेवेंट टू ईच एंड एवरी ऑडियंस। ही ऑल्सो पोजीशन हिमसेल्फ
Dynamic.
एवरी टाइम, लाइक विद द चेंज ऑफ टाइम, इफ यू आर चेंजिंग योरसेल्फ, एंड इवन द फाउंडर ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम Musri said कि after 6 months, if you don't experiment in your content, some new guy comes and he will also
He's
अपना
going
content
to take the lead.
he's going to take the lead.
Right.
So these things are changing very rapidly. You stay relevant, and obviously you're going to sustain for long run. Yeah, that is about content creation. But I always suggest people, you take content creation full time when you see that I am getting that much handsome money, which is I'll not get from a job. अगर मैं 10 लाख पर महीने कमा रहा हूँ एक जॉब पे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, और कंटेंट क्रिएशन मुझे 15 लाख दे रहा है पर मंथ,
हाँ.
और मैंने 3-4 महीने तक एक्सपेरिमेंट करके देख लिया,
हाँ.
तो आई एम इन दैट स्टेट टू क्विट दैट
To
जॉब।
quit the job, right?
Okay.
50% returns.
Yeah, 50%. So that's what my suggestion is for younger people who are seeing content creation or in this field. So you said this content creation on a point, and again it's coming again because you're a content creator. But this is again a study that which all careers younger people are more inclined towards. So one is they want to get into tech careers like AI, things related to AI, Mid Journey, up DeepSeek is coming.
DeepSeek.
Okay. Second thing, they want to get into something which is related to media and content creation. Okay. And third, which is very shocking for you guys,
Right.
they want to get into careers which are impact changers. Impact changers by mean they want to environmentalism, social activist,
Right.
or like, you must have seen there are many youngsters who are getting into careers which is not even paying them any penny, but still they are doing it because they have seen lot of things happening wrong in front of them, and now they want to take stand of those people. The social activist careers they are getting into, they are also getting into IAS, IPS, big roles also they want to take up.
Okay.
So they want to be that change maker in the things which they feel like यार हम अपने time पे नहीं कर पाए, but now we got that voice, we got that platform, and we should do it. Okay. So what do you think? What's the reason behind that? Why these young people are moving towards these all?
मतलब I am not shocked at all कि ये change आ रहा है, because ये change आना ही था.
Okay.
मतलब the people who are running the country,
Hmm.
they are doing nothing for the country.
Hmm.
जीडीपी बढ़ रहा है पर क्या पर कैपिटा इनकम बढ़ रहा है? रोड्स ठीक है इतनी सारी नहीं है ऑब्वियसली। अब यंगर जनरेशन है जिनकी आंखें खुल रही हैं, who wants to take a stand for the country, for the people, for things that are being ignored by the power. तो ये चेंज तो आना ही था एंड जितना जल्दी आए उतना ही बेटर है फॉर द कंट्री. हाँ गो अहेड केशी.
I think like people have started realizing कि actual में people का power है to even bring changes in policies of the country, to even like you know actually make a change in that government bill too. So लोगों को finally realize हो गया कि अच्छा if we come together enough and if we speak about like what we think is important, because at the end of the day ठीक है equality नहीं हुआ तो एक like suppose like women and other genders will stay behind always, and now women have started speaking up about it. That's why we see so many women in like very powerful roles. ऐसे अगर environment नहीं है तो what are you going to do? Health कितना खराब हो गया लोगों का अभी. People are starting to get worried कि oh shit हमारे family का क्या, like environment नहीं है तो हम पैसे कमा के क्या करेंगे at the end of the day. Like USA जैसे country में अगर wildfires are literally destroying people's lives and it's one of the like it's obviously the most developed country in the world. So I mean that really brings to that question ki what are you working for eventually? World khatam ho jaye tum mar jao.
Nice.
So yeah.
Again, I was reading one article which says that in future, maybe in down the line 2 years, we're gonna have a PM who would be an influencer.
और वो सही चला लेगा और वो बेटर चला लेगा कंट्री.
Why?
वैसे अभी मोदी जी भी इन्फ्लुएंसर बन रहे हैं.
Yeah, that is one thing.
Like no name taking.
हाँ, नहीं. Now we'll get left or right hate.
नहीं यार
अभी नेपाली बोल रही है ऐसे.
So the thing is, why I'm saying this, because obviously there are careers who are emerging where people they want to do that social impact. Either students want to get into content creation, either they want to get into tech or AI related job careers, or either they want to get into careers which are change makers. So that's why who knows, maybe we'll get a future PM who is a content creator. Yeah.
हाँ हो सकता है मतलब.
I mean that will be the best case scenario if that person is really dedicated. क्योंकि why is it called an influencer? You have the ability to change people's mindset.
Influence.
People follow you. People start behaving like you after one point. People start taking up your mannerisms, your activities, your favorite food, your favorite restaurant, your favorite activity. If one influencer, suppose मुझे आके शाहरुख खान बोल देना अब से कभी भी कचरा मत फेंकना रोड पे, मैं कभी नहीं फेंकूंगी. Like actual में, so I think that will be the best case scenario.
Best case scenario.
Nice.
People will love you because they love you because for who you are, not because that you have the power for it.
But only if it's going in like the right direction.
Obviously,
Yeah.
there's a wrong influence and there's a right influence.
Exactly.
यार मतलब जो स्टार्ट इन्फ्लुएंसर्स जो अच्छे वाले इन्फ्लुएंसर होते हैं दे आर एजुकेटेड एंड इतने एजुकेटेड होते हैं कि जितना जो पीपल पावर में है उनको इंग्लिश तक नहीं आती है बोलनी. वो कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग विद फॉरेनर्स के साथ जाकर हिंदी में बात करके हाँ किसी भी चीज पे ऐसे हंस देते हैं. मतलब तुम समझ ही नहीं पा रहे कि क्या हो रहा है कि हाँ लेफ्ट.
One question which people generally ask me in my DMs is related to career switch. कि suppose क्या हो रहा है, younger people, suppose 2 years I have interest in this. Now after 2 years कुछ हो पता नहीं कि लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ 360 degree turn आ गया कि मेरे को इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ रहा है इसमें, अब I want to do this, now I want to do this. So how to make that career transition? So suppose now you are into content creation. Who knows, after 2 years you lose interest in content creation. Maybe, who knows, है ना? And then you are like कि how I should change my career. Now it's a big question mark. I do have experience of 2-3 years in content creation, and now you are fucking telling me कि you change your career because so and so reason. So how I should take this up? Okay. So I always tell people, when you want to get into from one career to another, always figure out what are your transferable skills.
Right.
Transferable skills by mean suppose
जो आपने बताया
similar
था कि सिमिलर स्किल्स जैसे
Yeah.
फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम इन कंटेंट क्रिएशन तो मेरे करियर पाथ्स बनते हैं जर्नलिज्म मीडिया.
yeah. So suppose let's take an example of North and South Pole now.
ओके.
I am into marketing and I want to get into finance, or I am into marketing, I want to get into maybe same in any other job role which is
Nursing. I
nursing.
think I've seen people go abroad and then change to nursing after marketing, like इतने साल देने के बाद.
Okay, but for nursing they must have done some kind of a course.
Degree.
No, I'm saying without degree.
Sales.
Okay.
You did a degree of engineering,
Ah.
suppose. And suppose, let's take a hypothetical scenario. I did a degree in engineering. Now I'm doing marketing for 2-3 years. So I want to switch into another industry which is totally different from marketing. Suggest me any industry where you want to, कुछ ऐसा inspiration है कि marketing के बाद नहीं होगा तो मैं ये कर लूँगा. Anything.
Sales?
जिसके लिए डिग्री नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ मतलब like degree नहीं matter करती. After marketing. You said sales. And why you said sales?
I think sales.
Let me prove that.
Marketing में ही
Yeah.
आता है. Sales.
Transferable skills
हाँ.
again,
Exactly.
because in marketing some or the other way you are doing sales,
Pitching
but
होती
that
है.
is not on the face of it.
Right.
Okay, आप जैसे influencer marketing भी कर रहे हो. If you are promoting a brand, you are doing sales, but indirectly subtly you are doing that sale, na?
Right.
And again, what are transferable skills doing a content creation? You have good communication.
Communication
In sales, you need communication. You have good negotiation skills because you are, you know, dealing with lot of collaborations, and you know you negotiate कि भाई इतने deliverables नहीं, इतने deliverables होने चाहिए. Negotiating skills in sales, again the same listening skills again as a content creator, listening skills again as a sales manager. Okay, so again figure out your transferable skills, and obviously you can jump anytime to one career to another. And obviously one other question which I also get, career break.
Okay.
Okay, people and this again a study कि जैसे COVID hit हुआ था तो many people went through layoffs.
Yeah.
And many people went through, you know, career breaks because किसी की family में, you know, something bad happened, someone passed away. So people took career breaks, and generally it happens with female candidate also, because suppose they went on to, you know, maternity leave for 9 months, and then they took this career break, or maybe she got married, and then for the first year she was like कि अभी I just got married, I am on a career break. So now interviewer asks कि why you are on a career break. So now if you are putting that emotional angle na, it's not gonna work. Okay, I always say people try to tell them. Now क्या होता है, interviewer have this thing, they put question in such a way, they want to understand your psychological state at that time. Okay, let me put a question in front of you, Sadeep. You wake up tomorrow and you find yourself pregnant. What will be your response?
ये कैसे हो गया?
That's what I'm asking.
हाँ.
What will be your response?
मतलब didn't get the question.
You wake up tomorrow
हाँ.
and you find yourself pregnant.
हाँ.
What will be your response?
Shock दूंगा.
Okay. Anything else?
मतलब scientifically कैसे possible हो गया?
But that's the scenario I'm putting in front of you.
पता नहीं.
Still, and whatever comes to your head, just say it loud.
किसका बच्चा है ये?
No, say it loud and nothing else. Okay, to you, Jayashri. Suppose yesterday you open your refrigerator and you found a penguin inside a refrigerator. What do you do?
मैं कॉल करूंगी 911. नहीं, इंडिया में क्या है 100.
नेपाल में भी नहीं होता ना.
सॉरी. मैं तो कॉल करके मैं डर जाऊंगी.
So
मैं like
these
shock
are
हो
called
जाऊंगी.
behavioral questions, which
Okay.
interviewer put in front of you
Okay.
to understand your respond or your reflex or instinct to situations which are
Okay.
hypothetical.
Okay.
Okay, so again, these kind of questions generally ask in fields where you need to deal with people.
Okay.
Like suppose you are in a client facing job, तो आपके सामने ऐसी सिचुएशन आ जाती है जहाँ पर you react in certain, in that, you know, hustle, you will react something very absurdly.
Okay.
So they will put such kind of questions just to check your reflex.
हाँ.
Okay, let me okay, tell me one thing. If you want to suggest few traits with your personality, what are those traits? Like name few traits कि मेरी personality ऐसी है.
I'm a very fun-loving guy.
Okay.
I am very passionate.
Okay.
And I think at times I can calm myself. मतलब जहाँ पर मुझे काम करना है and I know कि जहाँ पर मुझे settle होना है यहाँ पर, तो I can be calm and think about and make the decision.
Okay. And do you perceive things always in a positive way or in a negative way?
I try to perceive it in a positive way, but
Okay.
at times I believe I get pissed off by some things.
ठीक है. Now that question which I ask you justified your answer.
Okay.
I ask you, you wake up tomorrow and you find yourself pregnant.
हाँ.
So you have looked towards the another side which is not a positive. You are like कि किसका बच्चा है, and your responses are that way,
Right.
है ना? Now look into a positive angle. Okay.
Okay.
If I wake up tomorrow and if I found myself pregnant, I would be the most famous person on earth because I'm the first guy who got pregnant and I'll be in Limca world record.
Okay.
That's a positive approach.
Right.
Or maybe if I get pregnant, I'll take care of my baby the same way if my wife would have got pregnant.
Okay.
That's a positive response.
Mm.
A reflexive response.
Right.
Okay, I ask you if you found a penguin tomorrow if you opened the refrigerator and you found a penguin, how would you react? You could say, okay, I am a vegetarian, but I'll cook it and I'll enjoy it. So when I said this, you had a laugh. अगर आप ये इंटरव्यूअर को ऐसा आंसर दोगे ना, कहेगा भाई इस बंदे ने इतने भारी क्वेश्चन को ऐसे लाइटली ले लिया.
अच्छा.
So that's how you should respond to such behavioral questions. Okay, there's nothing wrong in that. Like 99% people answer this way only.
Fail हो गए.
So this is how they understand the psychology, the interview people, and ऐसे समझते हैं वो. ठीक है. Again, this is before I'll put this report. I am putting a question in front of you. Suppose you got hired for a firm.
Okay.
Okay, and you came for the very first day to the firm. You had a great day, but by night you got another offer that you get a lottery of 20 crore rupees.
Okay.
So what do you do? What would you do?
With the job.
What's your reflex? If you get 20 crore rupees in your bank today evening, what would you do? And you just joined a firm a day before.
Okay. ठीक है.
I think I would still take the job
हाँ,
too.
right.
Yeah.
Why?
I would also.
I mean, if मैं अपने बारे में बात करूँ ना, I will only take a job if it aligns with my passion and my goals and my beliefs, or I like the organization, the people, the things they're doing. So, yeah, the 20 crore I will invest in things like, okay,
Same
I will
answer.
invest in real estate, stocks पे लगा दूँगी. So yeah, like just keep it as an investment and maybe कुछ की fun अपने passion को करने के लिए to back up my passions. But yeah, I would still take the job too.
Yeah.
मतलब जैसे 20 करोड़ की लॉटरी लगेगी, पहले तो गर्लफ्रेंड को 30% टैक्स देना पड़ेगा.
निर्मला दीदी को.
ठीक है. जो बचे हुए 14 करोड़ है, उसको इन्वेस्ट करके एफडी में या किसी अच्छी जगह पे इंटरेस्ट का मिलता रहेगा. और जो सोशल नीड है, फुलफिलमेंट है, वो जैसे दियाश्री ने बोला, सेम चीज एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तभी ज्वाइन करूंगा जब वो मेरे पैशन को फुलफिल कर रही होगी. तो मेरी सोशल नीड और मेरी जो सेल्फ मोटिवेशन नीड्स है वो वहाँ पर फुलफिल हो रही होगी. एंड पैसा आ ही रहा है.
Obviously. On the add up, you can also say this. Obviously, if I get 20 crore rupees, it's too young for me to, think about this 20 crore rupees. Obviously, I invest in something which is, profitable for me. But at this stage, the age I am always looking for learning in my life. And that's, I would not getting 20 crore rupees in my bank and just sitting on the couch and just, enjoying. For me, learning and growing and going daily to office and learning with your peers, that is a priority for me. So I'll not leave this job. I'll obviously invest this 20 crore in something profitable. So this is how so
Because the 20 crores that I have gotten, that is not that I've earned it.
yeah.
It's my luck that has gotten me that.
Yeah, एक चीज which I am observing, the expectation of younger people is too much from the corporate.
Yeah.
But do you think the corporate also expects something from you?
I think. बोलो.
I think younger people क्यों नहीं expect करेंगे? You know what? The only reason India में तो people are really famous, right, all over the world because they're hardworking. Like they can tackle every situation. They can put that, give that output. But why are they still earning so less? Because corporate ना ऐसे train कर रहा है आपको कि you stay limited.
Right.
You stay limited to the rules. You only do how much you're told. You have no creative freedom. No.
Exactly.
Even if you come up with a better idea, right? You won't be able to get it out in most corporate organizations. You have to follow the book.
Right.
And I think, corporate, if they're, giving enough compensation, if they're giving you enough benefits, they can expect things from younger generation. Because the younger generation, I kid you not, will bring you results if you satisfy them. But I think it goes hand in hand, right? If you're giving them 25,000 a month and you're telling them, ab to result aake nahi, they're like, why would they? वो साइड में कुछ कर लेंगे, वो अपना पैसा कमा लेंगे.
But I think it is killing the dreams of people, of the younger generations, corporates.
But again, I want to bring this perspective कि जो younger startups आ रहे हैं ना, they are focusing towards these kind of things because they also understand younger people.
Hmm.
They started to understand younger people. I would say, I would reframe it, and they are putting their investment in such a way कि यार we are setting an environment where younger people should take individual responsibilities.
Selfless.
Let's suppose, take an example. You know Ranveer Alabadia.
हाँ.
He opened Skill House.
Hmm.
Now in his Skill House, who trained people on animation? Do you know that? The people who edit Ranveer Alabadia के podcast.
Okay.
तो रणवीर अलाबादिया ने क्या देखा कि मेरे जो पॉडकास्ट एडिट कर रहा है ना बंदा, वो मेरे लिए तो काम कर रहा है,
हाँ.
बट वो उसको इंडिविजुअल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देता हूँ बिकॉज दैट पर्सन इज ऑल्सो क्रेविंग फॉर दैट growth. So I made a second vertical, you know, skill house where people are getting trained on, you know, skills like, you know, editing, motion graphic, और वही लोग उनको डिलीवर कर रहे हैं लेक्चर. ठीक है, तो उसने उस बंदे को भी रिटेन कर लिया स्मार्टली, और उसने स्मार्टली उसको भी एक नई एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी दे दी. सो दिस इज अ स्मार्ट मूव.
Exactly, this should be the approach that
Yeah.
should be followed in corporates as well.
हाँ.
Individual growth पे focus नहीं हो रहा आजकल.
हाँ, बट दे हैव फ्यू कंपनीज दैट टोटली डिपेंड आप कहाँ टारगेट कर रहे हो. मतलब आई वुड से दैट, मतलब दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगेन दिस वाज अ स्टडी एंड यू टेल मी, लाइक यंगस्टर्स आर नाउ लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू कंपनीज which are aligning with their values and ethics. If there's a company which doesn't align with my value and ethics, I will not retain or sustain in that company for 6 months. How much you
Yeah.
believe that?
100%. Not even a single doubt.
Why so? Why so?
अरे this is straight up कि अगर तुम पैसों के लिए काम करो तो तुम कहाँ भी टिक जाओगे.
ठीक
पर
है.
अगर तुम पैसों के लिए काम नहीं कर रहे ना, अगर तुम काम ही अपनी वैल्यूज बिलीव्स अपने पैशन के लिए कर रहे हो, तो तुम उसी जगह टिकोगे जहाँ लाइक माइंडेड पीपल है, जहाँ पर सीईओ एम्प्लॉइज इतना हायरार्की ना फॉलो करके एक्चुअली में तुम्हारी नीड समझते हैं.
I think there is one more thing which is, you know, giving that boost up to Gen Z people. You know, they are in that era of options.
True.
They are in the era of options. Options means they know ये नहीं तो ये तो है, ये तो है, ये तो है, because accessibility चीजों की बहुत जल्दी आ गई. मतलब 4 सेकंड की रील, 5 सेकंड की रील है, वो मेरे लिए इतना एक्सेसिबल है, तो मेरे लिए करियर ऑप्शंस भी एक्सेसिबल होंगे बहुत ज्यादा. तो दे आर लाइक कि आई डोंट वांट टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद माय mental peace. I don't want to compromise with my passion. I don't want to compromise with my ethics and morals. Rather, I will stay 2 months jobless at home, but I would only work for a firm which align with my, you know, career goals and career trajectory.
See, I think being in an organization that doesn't support your value or ethics kills like your personality, who you are as a person, what drove you throughout your life, right? I've seen people that go to corporate job and they hate their job, they hate the place they're working in, they always come home frustrated.
Exactly. But
Always,
they still work for
हाँ,
it. They
and
still work for it.
You know
Yeah.
what's worse? वो frustration निकलेगा ही, obviously it comes out in their loved ones.
Right.
So they're ruining the
Relationships,
they're
yeah.
ruining themselves.
Family relations.
Plus obviously तुम काम में कितना ही अच्छे से कर लोगे when you're so unhappy. तुम्हारा negativity, तुम्हारा वो जो energy होता है वो तो project होता है तुम्हारे काम में. So I think you're very correct. Like we have a lot of options now. Okay, coming from a privileged point of view, I'm sorry. Like there are people who don't have options, but I think mostly middle class से लेके upper class तक people right now have options.
Yeah.
And since people are getting into startups and they know what kind of employees they want, because obviously वो जो negativity रखेंगे ना organization में, they know कि उनका ही नहीं चल
Sustain ही
रहा.
नहीं कर रहे.
Yeah.
अब गया कैपिटलिज्म, मतलब कैपिटलिज्म है बट पॉजिटिव कैपिटलिज्म है.
So, okay guys, are you guys ready for the career quiz with Sardar ji?
Yes.
So, this is gonna be few facts related to corporate, and few are true and few are not. So, whosoever clap first will get the, you know, chance of.
Okay.
So, just be ready with your claps, guys.
Wait.
So, let's start the career quiz with Sardar ji. The very first question is: there's a company that only hires people with the same birthday.
No.
Yeah, it's wrong. True. Correct. Okay. In some countries, it's illegal to check your email after work hours.
No, पता है, ये तो मैंने पढ़ा है.
अरे भाई.
पढ़ा है.
In Japan, it's common to take naps at work as a part of company wellness program.
Wrong.
No,
True,
this is true.
true,
This is
man.
true.
Right.
Okay. In some companies in India, employees are given no work day every month where they are encouraged to take break and do nothing for work related.
Wrong.
This is true.
हैं? कौन
Yeah.
से? कौन से?
बात कर रहा है
It's there.
इतने अच्छे
Oh
टॉप
my
A popular startup in Bangalore gives employees the option to bring their pets to work day every day.
True.
ट्रू
This is true, but she clapped first. She clapped first. She clapped first. Okay. In Germany, it's illegal for employees to contact employers on weekends unless it's an emergency.
True.
It's true.
क्वेश्चन भी पूरा बोल दिया ये थोड़ी
In South Korea, some companies offer pet insurance for employees who adopt rescue animals.
ट्रू
This is true.
Ooh.
In Denmark, it's a standard practice for employees to eat lunch together in the office, and it's considered rude to eat alone.
ट्रू
True.
This is true, but he answered first. In some tech companies in India, employees are given paid time off to attend yoga and बोलो
ये टाइम है
अब तक पहले clap कर दिया to attend yoga and meditation sessions during work hours.
ट्रू
This is true. Last question. Buckle up. In India, it's common for employees to have a compulsory tea break twice a day.
True.
तुमको आंसर तो भी नहीं मिले. It's true. It's true. It's true. So the next quiz is unexpected job titles. Few job titles are made up, and few are real job titles. And you have to identify which one is right or which one is wrong.
तो राइट रॉन्ग में आंसर
True, false. Okay.
True, false.
So the very first rapid fire starts now. In some companies, the role of chief listening officer exists to ensure that employee voices are heard and acted
True.
upon.
True.
This is true. This is true. But he clapped. She clapped first.
मैं तो guess कर.
There is a job title called professional cuddler.
ट्रू ट्रू दिस इज ट्रू
This is true.
This is true.
This is true.
This is
You
true.
heard about this?
आप रील्स देखी थी
अच्छा अच्छा. So, reels.
मैंने
Some,
जापान में देखा है.
some companies employ happiness engineer whose solo responsibility to make work environment joyful.
ट्रू
True.
मेंटल
अब clap नहीं हो सकते क्वेश्चन से पहले.
A job called pixel pusher refers to a person who adjusts and optimizes visual elements of the website.
True.
This is false.
नहीं है मुझे.
Pixel pusher क्या होता है? Pusher.
जो क्वालिटी अच्छा कर दे.
But there is no such job role. Na? Some organization hire digital detox consultant.
ट्रू
True, but the whole question is who help employees to disconnect from
True,
screens and
true,
promote
true.
health.
थोड़ा डिटॉक्स कल्चर तो समझ ही आ रहा है भाई ट्रू ही होगा
A job title called chief mischief maker exists in few creative companies.
False.
True. In some startups, there is a chief disruption officer who is responsible to challenge traditional ways of thinking and push innovation in the company.
True.
फॉल्स
True.
True.
ओके
There is a role called dream job engineer where people are hired to design and implement the perfect work environment for employees.
फॉल्स
This is false. Okay. A wizard of light bulb movement is hired by some companies to brainstorm new ideas and innovative concepts.
True.
दिस इज ट्रू दिस इज ट्रू
Last question. In some tech companies, the role of director of first impression exists to manage customer interaction and ensure clients feel welcomed and valued.
ट्रू
This is true. So guys, this is the end of rapid fire career rapid fire with Siddharth.
मैं जीता हूँ सेकंड वाला मैं
I
सेकंड
hope you
वाला मैं
guys
जीता हूँ
enjoyed. So this was the end of the drive, guys. I hope you guys
बहुत
enjoyed.
मजा आया
Thank you very much.
Great.
हल्दीराम की कॉफी
I guess you must have taken few insights from this. And if you guys want to join me on Career Drive, DM me anytime. I would really love to connect all of you and see you in the next drive. Till then, bye bye.
बाय